Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to give you all of my little nude secrets. So basically the only color I wear on my lips literally is nude. Like anything else scares me, honestly. But no, I just love like a really cute nude. Like I feel like nude lips are just everything. They're everything. I honestly don't know why go for red when you can go for a nude. That's how I feel. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my favorite like nude lip combos, and yeah, if you're interested then just keep watching. The first nude combo you guys have seen on my channel quite a lot because it is by far my favorite. So when we talk about nude, we have to be talking about KKW because I feel like she got that down to science. Okay, so this is going to be my first nude combo. So it's going to be my KKW Nude 2 lip liner with the Nude 2 lipstick, and then optional, if you want to leave it matte, that's cool. That's personally what I like to do. Or if you want to put like a gloss on top, the Super Nude with the Mario collab, this one is like really cute, real cute. So I should have brought my mirror. Okay, I'm gonna just use my little monitor. Okay, you ready? You ready? Okay. Okay, boom. Okay, boom. So we have a nice little brown lip liner. I don't like shaded my lips or anything because this Nude 2 is like a really like light peach kind of color, so it kind of almost matches my lip color a little bit, and I just use it to, I like to blot it and like mesh the lip liner in with it. This is like a light nude for me. This is not like my skin tone type of nude. I feel like Nude 3 is more of my, like a darker nude. You know what I'm saying? If you catch my drift. Okay, so this is the first lip combo. So simple. Okay. So now I'm going to add a gloss on top. And it changes the lips slightly, but not too much. You don't really need that much because it does have like a milky white kind of cast, so you don't want to apply too much if you're like my skin tone or a little bit darker. But yeah, this is the lip combo. I think it's super pretty, super wearable for like every day, most definitely, because I do. But yeah, this is my favorite nude. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe this off and let's try a different one. I'm gonna need hella chapstick after this. Okay, so I might as well get KKW out of the way. So I'm gonna go in with my Nude 3, the same Nude 2 lip pencil, but I'm gonna take the Nude 3 lipstick instead of 2. So just gonna line my lips the same. Nothing perfect. And I'm gonna go in with the same method. No, I'm actually gonna swipe this one. This one's like a hint darker, like just a smidge. But remember, they are like right next to each other, so there isn't too much variation between the two shades. But you know, like I said, every nude is different. They bring something like a different tone to the lips, so normally I would go back in and reline my lips a little bit with this one, just because I want that definition. So Nude 3, I would usually just wear it by itself like this. This is also super wearable for every day. Super cute. Nothing too, you know, dramatic. But yeah, that's Nude 3. Lip combo number 2. This is my third lip combo. This is my MAC Cork lip liner with my e.l.f. It says it's a liquid lipstick, but it's really like a lip gloss in Naked Nude. So, and by the way, all of my lip liners basically borderline look the same, but like I said, they're nudes, so they're different. This one isn't as creamy as KKW. It feels a little bit drier. That's cool. I just feel like it's gonna stay in place a lot longer, maybe. Okay, so line my lips, then I use my e.l.f. And this has like a lot of color on it, so it's definitely going to change the color of your lips. It's not like a gloss, like it's a really new lip gloss. Do these all look the same? Am I crazy? Because I do definitely have different moods where I like to wear different combos. But this is the third one. Super cute. Like I said, they're all like close in comparison, but they're very different to me. Yada yada yada. You know, everybody got their different strokes for different folks, okay? I like nudes and I think they're different, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna use my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil, and this is in the shade 1993. Go ahead and line my lips. And this next one is more of like a gloss combo. I'm not using like a lipstick or anything, but just this one is definitely lighter than the other ones that I use, but I like it. So then I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty, what is this, a gloss bomb in the shade Fussy, and just go right on top. I don't know, I feel like when you add a little bit of like a nude colored lip liner, not like a brown, but more like a nude, it just looks better with this like kind of pinky lip gloss. It's pretty cute. It's very natural, like I said, but still different. Okay, so on to the next. I'm going to take my Morphe Sweet Tea Lip Liner and line my lips. This one is like a cork dupe, I think. Like it looks very similar. Like this, my KKW and cork, they all look the same to me, but different. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take London, in the NYX soft matte lip cream, and just take that all over. This one has more of like a orangish tint to it, and I don't know, I dig it. Super cute. Okay, you guys, and that is everything for my favorite nude combos. I'm probably insane for even making this video because I know they all look pretty much the same, but I promise you they vary, they differ from each other, okay? I'm not a complete nutcase. If you like nudes, then you understand that there's a difference, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. Bye.